Hello. As we spoke in the last video, we have seen the journey of a seller. Let's act as a buyer and see how the buyer journey is going to be. So I'm still in the same store which you have seen lately. So I'm just going to go to the Farm Fresh Trio. So I can browse the products around here or from different places as well. So anyway, I'm just going to buy some tomatoes. So I'll just click this. So here I'll see the image. If I want to just add this under my wish list, I can still add it. So later that I can just like quickly purchase the same items. And yes, if I'm already following this Farm Fresh, so I'll just continue to have this. Then here I can read about the informations. If each of the listing or the product is going to have like detailed information, we will be able to find it. And if this product has previous reviews, we will find it here as well. But anyway, as we don't have all those things, I'll just add this to cart. It's a tomatoes, so I do not want to discuss anything, so I'm not going into the chat. So cow milk, so I'll just remove that. I just need tomatoes. Maybe I'll just, you can configure whether you want this to be a quantities or by kilos later. Yeah, but for now this is just a basic one, and I can add my um, address as well. So I'm not going to use the detect my location, because for this tenant ID the auto detection I don't think is activated. I'll just try. It seems like it shows. I'm not going to allow it for a while, so I'll just select anything. Yeah, just this. Let's see if this information is enough. I think the name is important. Phone number is mandatory as well. I hope so. Let's try add address. All right, this works. If you want to have like multiple address, like multiple locations based on the buyer, if the buyer needs a multiple address, they can have it. So I'll just check out. So now I reach the checkout page. As this is a sandbox, again, we just activated only the cash and delivery. If let's say if you have like, if you want to like activate Stripe for you to test how everything is going to work, we can activate that as well. But it's available only under the Tradely social tenant ID, which I can show it later, especially focusing on how the checkout process works. So this is how the buyer journey looks like. If I click placed order, I'll say this. So if I go to my orders, let's see if I see the updated orders. So here I can see all my orders. I can also filter by the status of those orders. For now, I'll just quickly go inside here. So in this detailed order page, you can find the status of the orders. Yeah, when the seller change, the first thing is that the seller needs to approve, because maybe he wants to do some check about the buyers, or he may have different process. Yeah, so he once he approve the order, then it will move on to order in progress. Then after he started shipping, he can have it as then the status will change to say ship. Then once it delivered, you can also confirm whether the order is delivered or not, and he can also confirm whether they delivered or not. Yeah, and if I want to cancel the order, I can cancel. But I prefer not to cancel the order now. Or should we cancel? Okay, let's just cancel the order for now. Yes, I want to cancel. So once it cancel, the order will change to cancel order. So that's how the statuses change. What else the buyer will expect? He can see his orders, and yeah, if you want to go back to again his all orders, he can still go under this more settings, and he can go to his my orders. Yeah, and if he can just track everything by week, month, year, and all those things. And again, yes, if he has his any pending items in the cart, he will see it as well. Other than that, for buyer, I don't think anything is needed. Yeah, maybe wish list. Yes, these are all three things. So when let's say when a seller change the status of the order, he will get a notification, and this notification will be able to see. We will cover a separate video how the whole notification center works as well. So I believe this is pretty much about the buyer journey. It's very straightforward, and yeah, it's very simple UIs done with the details in yeah, carefully done. We will see the next video. We will cover about maybe for the seller side, the payout, and how he can manage his orders and other things. Keep you posted. Bye bye.